supercars lovers. Hope you are enjoying the videos of supercars on my channel HMKsuper.cars. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button too, so that you can get the new videos notification in time. Viewers, we are exploring the most expensive supercars in 2022. Ferrari F60 is one of them. Right on cue, just ahead of Ferrari's 60th anniversary festivities scheduled to celebrate the maker's diamond anniversary in the US, Ferrari has unveiled the F60 America. Announced on the 10th day of the 10th calendar month, production of the F60 America is capped at just 10 examples. In keeping with the Deca theme, the F60 America's reputed $2.6 million cost is just a weekend at the craps table, short of ringing in at 10 times the $320,000 price tag of the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, the car upon which the F60 America is based. It must also be noted that if you're just now hearing about this car, you're already too late to buy one. 10 rich collectors have already snapped up all 10 examples. Designed to combine the delights of a V12 engine and open-top driving, which Ferrari says are its US clientele's two great passions, the F60 America doesn't have a roof, the better to display a pair of leather-trimmed roll hoops that flow into carbon fiber-trimmed flying buttresses. Ferrari says owners can fit a light fabric top that's usable at speeds of up to approximately 75 miles per hour. The front mid-mounted V12 is likely unchanged from the 730 horsepower unit in the F12 and can propel the F60 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. The exterior is rendered in blue with a center white stripe, the livery of famed importer Luigi Cinetti's NRT outfit, North American Racing Team, with 60th anniversary prancing horse badges applied to the fenders and the center tunnel in the cabin. In a nod to old racing Ferraris, the interior is done up asymmetrically, with the driver's side finished with red trim and upholstery while the passengers' accommodations are black. Stripes on the seats reminiscent of Old Glory finish off the treatment. The first Ferrari ever sold in the US was the Tipo 166 Spider Corsa. It was a race car with 2 seats and no roof. The difference is that the F60 America was not a race car, but was a roadster well. The F60 America was based upon the Ferrari F12. It featured the same long hood with a stripe in the middle. The prancing horse on a yellow shield was applied on the front fenders, just in case that someone wouldn't know that that was a Ferrari. A raked windshield followed. Behind the cockpit, there were 2 security arches, raked forward and painted in silver. For rainy days, Ferrari designed a special, Lite, top that could provide some cover for the occupants. Inside, on the center tunnel, there was another pair of the 60th anniversary prancing horse badge. The driver's area was bigger than its passenger. The asymmetrical design was studied to offer maximum comfort for the one behind the wheel. The sport bucket seats with leather and Alcantara upholstery designed for maximum support while fast cornering. The F60 America was not just a show car, but a true track-oriented car. The F60 cabin's asymmetrical design highlights the driver's area with sporty red trim, while the passenger side is black, inspired by the historic Ferrari competition cars. The cabin trim is exclusive with the dash, tunnel, and door panels on the driver's side all swathed in composite materials. The racing seats also feature a stylized American flag motif on the center of each seat and backrest. The F60 America's bodywork adopts the classic North American Racing Team livery, and the special Ferrari 60th anniversary prancing horse badge on the wheel arches also appears on the tunnel in the cabin. Here are the specifications and performance of Ferrari F60 America. that's all about Ferrari F60 America. If you like this video, please comment and press like button. Also subscribe and press bell button for upcoming latest videos of supercars. In the next video, I'll bring more information about a supercar. Till then, take care and goodbye.